Hey, these are the chapter 6.6 notes, the unit circle. We are going to use the values from the unit circle all semester, the rest of the semester. We've spent a lot of time looking at the pieces over the last couple of weeks. Now we are just going to put it together. Okay, so when we say unit circle means we got a circle with radius 1. And you'll remember that when we started looking at the relationships in the special right triangles, we looked at them with with hypotenuse equal to 1. That's going to be our radius. That's how we're going to build our unit circle. Okay. Now, second line here says you will need to be able to construct the unit circle by memory. You guys, here's basically, here's where we're at. All of your exams are online. Nobody's going to be standing over your shoulder. Once you take calculus, though, you got to know these values. You've got to be able to plug them into an equation. You've got to understand the properties so that you can simplify. You won't have access to a unit circle to take a look at all that. Okay. So we are centering our circle at the origin. We've talked about that. Radius of 1. It's called the unit circle. It's given by the standard equation for a circle. So x squared plus y squared equals 1 squared, which is 1. Okay, there's our Pythagorean identity that'll help. A couple of things I want to point out. When we take a look at this, centered at the origin, with radius 1, we know 4 ordered pairs right off the bat. So here at 0 degrees or 0 pi radians, we have this ordered pair 1, 0. So we know the cosine of 0 is 1. The sine at 0 is 0. Our tangent at 0 is sine over cosine, which is 0. At pi over 2, or 90 degrees, we know the cosine at pi over 2 is 0. The sine at pi over 2 is 1. But my tangent at pi over 2, which is sine over cosine, we can never divide by 0. So the tangent at pi over 2 is undefined. At pi or 180 degrees, and again, I'm throwing the degrees in because we're a little more comfortable with those. Our cosine of pi is -1. Our sine at pi is 0. Our tangent at pi, 0 over -1, which is 0. And then down here at 3 pi over 2, our cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0. Our sine at 3 pi over 2 is -1. And so our tangent at 3 pi over 2, again, now I got a -1 divided by 0. That's undefined.